Quick question, what the heck is this? Well, it's a Mavic Pro, of course, but what the heck is this? Yeah, I received this in the mail, and it came in a bunch of pieces with no instructions, and I'm like, what the heck is it? Well, it turns out what it is, it's an attachment for a Mavic Pro. Watch this, I'm going to flip this around. I've attached it to the bottom. There it is. It's a piece of plastic that just snaps onto the bottom of the Mavic Pro, and when you assemble everything, you can hang a camera off the bottom of the Mavic Pro. Now, it's intended to put a camera down here. That would be a 360-degree camera that takes video from all around and above and below, but I don't have one of those. All I have is, well, a GoPro. So all I can attach on it is a GoPro. So I put a GoPro, and I have the GoPro facing to the rear. I could have faced it to the front or the side or the bottom. And I have the Mavic camera facing to the front. So this will shoot video from the back, this will shoot video from the front. And this here is designed to move around. And this here is a vibration dampener. So I'm guessing the video should be somewhat okay. Only way to try it is to try it out. Now, the interesting thing is going to be the takeoff. Sure, you could just fold this up and take off, but when you land, somehow you'd have to come in and land and catch that like that. I don't know. I'm going to give it a try, and we'll see how it works out. You know, I came out here 10 minutes ago and there was no snow and I could see far, and now it's snowing and I can't see as far. This piece snaps in like this in the front. There's a little hole here on the Mavic. So let's see, that snaps in there. And then take these back pieces. One here, it's in. And one there. And now we're all stuck. Can't fall off on the front. Put the Mavic down. Mavic's not that flat. Let's just see. How's the camera? Oh, the camera's good. It'll just look like it's taken off on an angle. These birds are going to be making less noise in a little bit when this thing starts up. Good thing my phone is water resistant. So I'm going to try to take off. I'll see what happens here. It's at a weird angle. Well, let's see what happens when the camera goes up. Well, there we go. All right, so there I am on the front camera, and if I spin it around, we'll go to the GoPro camera in the back. And here I am. Hey, GoPro. So now if I fly forward and low, let me just go bring it down. GoPro's got a nice GoPro wide angle on it. So let's go like this. I'll fly pretty fast along the ice here. Head over to where the pigeons are so you see it from the front. Come on, pigeons, out of the way. Out of the way! And if I go up, way up, you can see on both ends what the GoPro sees and what this sees. You can see it's pretty much turning into a whiteout here. That is the river over there, looking all white. And I'm going forward, and the GoPro will be looking backwards, where I've come from. And I'll bring it back towards me. And I'll show you what it looks like flying. I'll just start bringing it down. I'm going to dive bomb me here. Where am I? There we go. There I am. And that's what the little camera looks like. Now one thing you can do is, I've got the GoPro facing backwards, but if you wanted to, you could have the GoPro facing down or sideways to get different views. Okay, there's a lot of snow out here. I'm gonna have to put this down. So this should be interesting landing this now. It won't come down without going into landing mode, so I'm gonna have to catch it. Oh well. There we go. So that's pretty much the only way to land this when you have this off the bottom. You can take off with it on, but you can't really land. So it's snowing out here. It is actually spring. I'm not impressed with the snow happening right now. So I'm going to go in the house and have a cold one. So I hope you enjoyed this review. I'm going to put links at the bottom where you can, below this video, where you can actually buy this. It's really inexpensive, and I'm sure you can think of a million more uses for it than I've thought of right here. All right, so guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos of all sorts of neat products and different drones, hit that subscribe button. All right, guys, take care.